Hi, everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today, I'm going to share chicken popsicle nuggets or chicken lollipop recipe. White bread, 2 slices. Blend it. Chicken, 500 grams. Blend it. Soy sauce, 2 teaspoons. White pepper, 1 teaspoon. Paprika, 1 teaspoon. Ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons. Blend well. Done. Chicken mixture transfer to the bowl. Salt to taste. Oil, 2 to 3 teaspoons. Mix. Spread the chicken. Not too thick or not too thin. Spread some oil on the knife. Cut the nugget shape. Make a shape with finger. Popsicle. Follow the steps. Done. Two eggs. Milk, 3 tablespoons. Beat until combined. Breadcrumbs. Deep with egg wash. Coat with breadcrumbs. Done. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Flip. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.